Hi everyone, so this video is about the box of Curious Cub, and as you can see here, this is level 10 and this is for the babies of age more than 19 months. And as you can see here, I'm going to open this box, and this box is purely Montessori based activities. All activities are just based on Montessori method. Our first activity here is the animal homes, and in this activity there are various animals given inside, like spider in its web, dog in dog house, and bee, bird in nest, bee in hive, and so on. You can teach your kid about various animals and about their homes in this activity. So this is a fun process to learn. And here comes to the next activity. This activity is about rainbow rings, and here this is some kind of Montessori toy. Okay, and in this toy your kid can enjoy the putting rings inside. One second, how this will work? This will work like this: your kid will put the rings inside and then the rings will fall outside like this, and you can put the rings inside from anywhere you want. So my Kia used to enjoy playing this one a lot. And let's come to the next activity. And one more thing, the quality of wood is really very fine and there are no sharp edges. So this game is purely safe for your baby. And moving on to the next one, here comes the lock box. There are various locks given. Your kid can learn to open these boxes, and these locks are really very soft, and this is not gonna harm your baby in any manner. So that's the game. Kia has put some of her fishes inside. She used to play this lockbox game a lot, and she really loved to open and close the doors and putting various of her toys inside. And next one is the book of opposites, and in this book of opposites you can teach your kids various kinds of movements and their opposite movement, as you can see here. So this is also a very good book to make your babies learn faster. And here comes some flashcards. These flashcards are related to flowers, and these are about sea animals, sea creatures. So after these flashcards, here comes 3 sets of small kind of flashcards. These are some dash cards. These are kinds of matching cards. You can use these cards to make your baby learn about the colors and can encourage him to match 2 kinds of vehicles. So it will teach your baby about means of transports as well as colors as well as matching game. So all these games serves multiple purpose. That's the special thing about this box. And next is Jigsaw Puzzle. In this puzzle, this is a kind of puzzle game of 2 pieces, as you can see here. So these are 2-piece puzzles about hot air balloons, parachute, kayak. The name of all these are written behind: truck, cycle, etc. So we are moving to the next game. Next one is also dash cards. See, these dash cards are black and white. These are mainly for the visual perception. It improves visual perception of your baby. You can encourage your baby to match all these cards. Kia used to enjoy these cards a lot. So all these activities in this box are especially designed for babies and are really very helpful to improve their fine motor skills as well as to learn some new and interesting ways of learning by playway method. So that's all for today. Thank you.